a child, my mother said to me, you can't spend all your days alone in the shade of a cherry tree. My brother cut the roof off of Lincoln, 'cause the doctor said to lose some weight. The table buckles, our hair was blowing as we drove from the Garden State to the lights of the Golden Gate. I've been missing you, so listen, I like to ask you, could we drive to town? And I've been thinking about your Lincoln Continental with the sunroof down. When the kid came down from Lenox, Gary Allen was the talk of the town. A real high roller, a self-promoter, said his band was the best around. He said, I got a little money from performing, I bought a brand new suit and hat. I said, performing what? He said, classic stuff, Ricky Hayes and Virginia Scat. I said, who the hell is that? But I can play a little old-time fiddle, we can start a little country band. And I was thinking, in your Lincoln, we can bum around a promised land. And the world will open up for us, at least that's what I hope it does. Probation officer John Carlin was a paranoid psychopath. He had to paint the fence by the roller rink for the Committee of Industrial Trash. You can't find a business end of a rifle, you're a devil from an Irish saint. I said, I got no cares in those affairs, what I was, what I am or ain't. I got a lot of fence to paint. I got no loving, all because I'm kinda infamous for crossing lines. You got me thinking, even Lincoln must have felt a little